It's Jason again with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV services. Today, got another weekly one reason to get an RV inspection for you. So, when you're looking over your RV, and say you're looking at a big old 45-foot diesel pusher, and there's 3 ACs on this thing. Now, just because you feel air coming out of every AC vent does not mean that all of the ACs are running. Okay, so let me just go to our touch screen here, and you can see I have the living room set to cool 61 degrees. It's 86. The kitchen is at 80 degrees, set at 57. The bedroom is at 78, set at 67. The living room and the bedroom have been on cool for about the last hour, and they never kicked on. So I turned the center AC on. So what's that mean? That means if I put my hand right here, I can feel cooled air coming out of this. But listen, you don't hear any noise coming from that vent. Okay? So that means this AC is not operating. When we go to the center AC, listen here. We can hear that AC and we can feel the air, cooled air. Because this is vented all the way through, you can feel the cooled air from one AC. Doesn't mean it's running. Notice silence from this one. But I can come up here and I can feel air coming out of it. So just because you feel cold air coming out of the vents doesn't mean that all 3 ACs are working, or 2 ACs if you have 2. So it's always good to run 1 AC at a time and make sure that each of them is cooling efficiently. So with your weekly one reason to get an RV inspection, 3-year-old 45-foot diesel pusher, 3 ACs, 3 heat pumps, only 1 AC works. But when it's working, you can feel the cold or hot air coming out of all of the vents. So, this is Jason. You have a nice day.